We had a runway challenge na dapat naka-metallic dress kami. Tapos, merong isang segment na dapat flowy yung dress. And I didn't have both of that dress. And then nagulat ako kasi si Ate VVV, Miss Universe Philippines Bacoor, she gave me her extra dress na metallic dress. So, ito yung ginamit ko dun sa runway challenge. So, sobrang happy ko kasi parang, actually, syempre, it's a competition at the end of the day, di ba? And ikaw may hiya ka manghiram ng clothes from other candidates. But she was so nice enough to give me her extra dress para lang makapag-runway ako.
How do you handle pressure during this competition? Na-feel mo ba yung pressure, Chelsea?
Honestly, no. I didn't. I keep telling everyone, nung nasa Philippines ako, I was so excited to go to Mexico. The moment I arrived here, happy, pero there are like sometimes days or like moments lang na parang you feel or you question yourself, diba? Na parang, oh my God, this is a whole different kind of pageant or competition. Now you try to like feel na, or you're kind of feeling na parang you're back to zero. Alam mo yun? So there are just moments like that. Pero hindi entire. Kasi ma-overwhelm ka eh, and you'll really feel it. And it's okay to accept that feeling. But other than that, mas nangingibaba yung excitement. Kasi hindi ka hindi ka mag-isa. Like I have you at TV. I have the other girls. They're so supportive. Tas yung mga fans pa na Filipino na very malakas yung support.
Yeah. And you know, I was surprised after speaking with some of the girls. Parang parehoan yung feelings natin eh. Like we're not the only ones feeling that way. Even if, you know, we might feel intimidated by people at some point, they're also feeling that way also. So everyone's just in the same boat, especially because we're all here alone. At least we have each other. Kasi nandun naman sila Chelsea and Christina.
Yeah.
It's comforting.
It feels like it's never ending. Like the way that we bonded in MUPH, it's just like the same. Parang feeling ko na extend yung bonding natin in MUPH. It's just that we are representing, of course, a different country na, pero yung bond is still there.
Yeah.
Iniisip ko lang parang, MUPH lang to. Pero, yung dalawa na lang yung natira. Ganon. It's fun. It's fun to be around Ate V and Christina. Kasi you feel like you're really comfortable when times are kind of a little rough. Meron kang malalapitan na alam mong kaya ka agad matulungan. Kasi we have already built a relationship here sa Philippines.
Or even if it's not like tough or whatever, even if you're just kind of missing home, at least we're like familiar people to each other, right? Nasaan si ate girl?
Nakakatawa kasi we have some Filipino fan vloggers here and they're watching us there. Hello!
Ay, wait sila. Christian,
Hi, Christian
and Adam.
and hi, Adam.
Nasa lobby ba sila?
Oh my
Hi,
gosh.
guys.
At din kayo, ha?
Honestly, even having them here as well is quite comforting, to be honest. I love seeing their faces every morning. How do you tag someone in this?
I'm not sure.
We can...
Ito. Yung nag-invite. Lumalaba. Hindi siya nag-request.
What's your view sa room mo?
Huh?
What's your view?
Ito.
Garden ba or city?
It's this.
Parang event center or something. Ganda.
It's a
Ganda. May flag.
Auditorio
pa.
Nacional. Yeah, right.
Pwede yung mga, quote,
Oo, meron din ba kayo?
yeah, I think all of our rooms have. It's that little night at the hotel that's really sweet. Ang laki ng flag.
And they're always cleaning our rooms.
Yeah, I didn't expect that. I love that every time we come home, our room is fresh. May bagong coffee.
May treats. Kasi they gave us this.
Ayaw nga.
Live from Mexico City is the 73rd Miss Universe competition!
una morena espectacular que trae Filipinas. Por parte de Filipinas, bueno, yo te voy a decir la que para mí han resaltado, puede ser mi favorita porque realmente todas esas mucho. Por parte de Filipinas,
I really like the woman from the Philippines. I think it's the first time that it's not a brunette who represents the Philippines. I like her because she's tall. She projects well this year. In fact, there are other Filipinos who competed in the same edition but representing different countries. So there is a Filipino strength.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hello, Chelsea. How do you feel today?
Okay naman ako ngayon, masaya at excited. Ang tagal ko na kasing hinihintay ito, parang ito na yung moment para sa lahat, para mapakita nila kung sino talaga sila at kung sino yung kailangan nilang hanapin na queen. And I know that I came in here with that pure heart and I couldn't be more excited to just tell them more about how it is like, you know, in the Philippines and what they can work with also. And it's right here. So maraming girls dito na deserving, ang gaganda nila. I think everyone is so beautiful. Everybody will shine. But ngayon kasi there's nothing else I can see. But sometimes in a galaxy full of stars, it's the smallest island. It's the smallest stars that will shine the brightest. Enjoy ko yung laban and I'm seeing the stars aligning. And I couldn't be more thankful to shout to the universe stage, Happy!